Across the world, millions of Christians perform the sign of the cross, a simple, profound gesture that is both prayer and proclamation. It's a visible mark of Christian identity, connecting us to centuries of tradition and the central mystery of our faith, Christ's crucifixion and resurrection. This act is more than habit. It's an invocation of the Trinity, a renewal of baptism, and a shield against evil. Though nearly universal, the gesture differs between Catholic and Orthodox Christians, reflecting centuries of unique theological development. By exploring these differences, we discover not division, but the rich diversity and unity at the heart of Christian tradition. The sign of the cross dates back to the earliest Christians, who traced a small cross on their foreheads as a constant reminder of Christ's victory. For nearly 1,000 years, Christians everywhere, from Britain to Syria, shared the same right-to-left gesture, mirroring the priest's blessing. Each movement invoked the Trinity: forehead for the Father, chest for the Son, shoulders for the Holy Spirit. This act was a confession of faith, uniting mind, heart, and strength to God. Both Catholic and Orthodox traditions claim this heritage, springing from the same well of faith. The divergence we see today reflects not novelty, but the development and preservation of ancient forms. For a thorough explanation, visit the article in the description at eternallycatholic.com. The most visible difference is direction. Orthodox Christians move right to left, Catholics left to right. The Orthodox gesture symbolizes Christ's descent from heaven and the spread of salvation to all nations. In the West, the shift to left to right began in the Middle Ages, likely to mirror the priest's blessing as seen by the congregation. This direction came to represent the journey from sin to salvation, darkness to light. Both traditions use the gesture to tell the story of redemption, one emphasizing cosmic history, the other personal transformation. Neither is more correct. Each is a poetic language of faith. The sign of the cross remains a physical expression of the hope and mystery at Christianity's core. The way the fingers are held also differs, each with deep meaning. Orthodox Christians join 3 fingers, proclaiming the Trinity, while 2 fingers pressed to the palm affirm Christ's 2 natures, divine and human. Every sign is a physical creed. Catholics typically use an open hand symbolizing the 5 wounds of Christ and recalling his sacrifice. Both traditions use the hand to declare faith. The Orthodox focus on doctrine, the Catholic on Christ's suffering and love. In every gesture, the hand becomes a statement of belief. Despite differences, the sign of the cross unites Christians in worship and daily life. In Orthodox liturgy, it's woven throughout the service. In Catholic Mass, it marks key moments. Many Protestants, including Anglicans and Lutherans, also use the sign, and more are rediscovering its power. The gesture transcends denominational lines, expressing a shared Christian identity. Whether right to left or left to right, the heart of the sign is the same: a prayer, a blessing, a declaration of faith in the triune God. The sign of the cross reminds us that what unites Christians is far greater than what divides us. In this ancient act, we find a common language of faith, pointing to the love that redeemed the world.